The sound of dead children. The sound of dead children echoes in the night, haunting and grim. Their voices silenced, their future dim, a sober reminder of life's harsh rhythm. Lost innocence, stolen dreams, innocent souls torn at the seams. Their laughter silenced, their tears unseen. In the cold darkness they now convene. Their tiny voices cry out in vain for justice, for peace, for an end to the pain. Their spirits linger forever stained by the cruel hands of cruelty and disdain. Listen closely, hear their plea to never forget, to always see the tragedy of life's cut short too soon. The sound of